Consume this drink and say goodbye to your stubborn belly fat. Belly fat is a clingy lover and is very tough to break up with. Did you ever try so hard but still get seduced by the not so health-friendly comfort foods often? And the result, your waistline increase. There is an important thing that you must know. Belly fat is not only an aesthetic problem, it is also very dangerous. It increases risk for heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even sometimes cancers. Therefore, getting rid of belly fat is necessary to stay fit and healthy at the same time. However, instead of using the much publicized fat-burning pills, which promise you miraculous effects but in fact bring you horrible side effects, instead, this drink brings the same result, and using it is safety for your health. This is an effective fat-burning drink. It will accelerate your weight loss process and help you burn belly fat fast. Your belly fat will disappear quickly, and you will have a flat belly and a trim body in a short time. Moreover, it also brings you a lot of health benefits, such as supporting heart health, preventing kidney stones, and reducing cancer risk. Here's how to prepare this amazing drink. Firstly, prepare 50 grams of parsley and chop them. If you don't have parsley, you can use coriander. Parsley is low in calories but contains vitamin A, B, C, and K, as well as minerals such as iron and potassium, which help with maintaining blood sugar balance and aid weight loss. Furthermore, it also helps you reduce cholesterol and offer you many vitamins and minerals such as iron to improve your health. After chopping, put chopped parsley into a blender. Next, combine parsley with lime or lemon. This citrus fruit is a great ally to lose weight. They help suppress weight gain and body fat accumulation through increased fat metabolism, while also increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, and decreasing LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and decreasing inflammation. In addition, consuming lime also brings you a lot of health benefits such as supporting heart health, preventing kidney stones, and reducing cancer risk. Now, cut your lime and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of lime juice into the blender, depending on your taste. Finally, add 250 ml of water into the blender. Turn on your blender and blend all ingredients until everything is homogeneous. Then pour the mixture into a cup and your weight loss drink is ready to enjoy. This natural mixture is extremely powerful and acts quickly. You will notice the first result after 2-3 days. In addition to reshaping your belly, this mixture will also improve your metabolism. This is the best time to consume it. Drink it on an empty stomach for 5 days, every morning as soon as you wake up. After 5 days, before repeating the process, take a 10-day break.